the company page, there's a link there. See the 350 people who work here. And then you click on that link, LinkedIn will list for you everyone who works there. You can easily identify who is the boss, who might be your colleague, who is the network admin, the guys in IT, and all, right? Okay. So, and then you have like a rich environment for you to play. You can start, like when you watch their profiles, you can see who has the habit of posting things and all. You first start liking their things. Before connecting, you can like without connecting to them. Like. You go progressively up to a point when you can ask for the connection. Because those people, they can give you a recommendation internally without using the recruitment agencies. They are internal to the company. They might know that they need a tax person. They might know that they are about to start organizing an event and they don't have a vendor yet.